Hi everyone, today we will talk about encapsulation in object-oriented programming. If you have any query regarding basic classes, object, class method and inheritance, you can visit the previous parts. Here we will make the name attribute private and providing the getter method for it so that user use this specific method to access the name attribute. This name was being accessed directly, but now I don't want to be accessed directly in the future. Here we will make the getter method to stop the direct access. Let's start the code. So here def and get name, then our telephone line itself, then column. Here return self.name. Now we will add here explanation. Here if we print student complete data dot name, then here it will give name Arjun, and then if we print student complete data dot get name, then it will give this name Arjun. Now I still have access to this name, but I want to prevent it from being accessed by user, so that user use this specific method to access the name. So here we will add underscore underscore in our own attribute, then here now we have changed this attribute name. If we run it, then it will give this error student marks object has no attribute name. We will add here underscore underscore. Now here it will give the error student marks object has no attribute underscore underscore name. Now we have private our variable name. Now object can't access it. We will create this class method in student class, so it will be created here. Now if we print this student complete data dot get name, then it will give only this name Arjun.